Hi guys, it's Mr. C here, and we're going to do our second step lesson. This is lesson 13 on strong feelings, and we're going to talk about this girl and the story that is related to this picture in just a few moments. Hey puppy, hey snail, what's going on? I'm so upset I lost my ball under the couch, and I tried and I can't seem to get my ball out of the couch at all. Gee, puppy, you look like you're having some really strong feelings. I am. My head's all hot and my muscles are all tight. You know, there's things you can do to calm down. You know what, puppy? Snail's right. There are some things that you can do to calm down. And in fact, that's what we're going to learn about on our second step card. Another story. So why don't you guys sit on over here? Good. Now that you guys are settled down over there, we'll learn about what's happening in this card. Let's get started.
This is Nikki. She's learning how to subtract big numbers, and it's hard. She has tried and tried, but can't understand how to do it. She feels like tearing up her paper. She feels like crying. Think about the clues that tell how Nikki is feeling. What are some of those clues? The situation, the story that we've learned? Look at her face and her body. Her mouth. See how her mouth is tight? Her shoulders. See how her shoulders are pushed up? Her fists. Look at her fists. They look clenched. Is it a good idea for Nikki to tear up her paper? No, of course not. Why not? If she tore her paper up, do you think it will help her understand how to do the subtraction questions? If she tore her paper up, do you think she might get in trouble? Nikki feels frustrated. Frustrated feelings can happen when you're trying to do something difficult or new, and when you're not having success. Subtracting big numbers is new and difficult for Nikki, and she can't figure out how to do it. Can you think of a time when you felt frustrated trying to learn something new or difficult? Does your body feel comfortable when you're frustrated? Do you feel good when you're frustrated? If you're saying no and shaking your head, well, that's right. Frustrated is what we call an uncomfortable feeling. Sometimes your feelings are not very strong, and your body feels just a little uncomfortable. Sometimes you have strong feelings. When you have strong feelings, it's hard to think clearly. Because Nikki was so frustrated, she wasn't thinking clearly, and that made it harder for her to figure out the math. This is the How to Calm Down poster. Notice at the bottom it has 3 squares. When you're having a strong feeling, like Nikki, first, you can say, stop. Put your hands on your tummy when you do this. This helps you recognize that your body is feeling a strong feeling. Maybe your head's hurting, your fists are tight, your shoulders are up. Then, name your feeling. Nikki might say, I'm feeling frustrated. Then, do some calming down techniques. Maybe monkey breaths, or breathing in through your nose for the count of 3, hold it for 4, blow it out for 5. Belly breaths, putting your hand on your tummy, feeling your tummy go up as you breathe in, and your tummy go down as you breathe out. If you don't want to try breathing techniques, try a count. count backwards from 20. Count backwards from 20 by twos. 20, 18, 16, 14, 12, 10. Use positive self-talk. Something like, I can do it. All right, this is hard, but I can manage. These are different strategies for how to calm down. Let's go back and see what Nikki does. Nikki followed the calming down steps. She put her hands on her tummy and said, "Stop! I'm feeling frustrated." Then she was calm enough to ask the teacher for help in an assertive way. "Can you please show me how to do the subtraction again? I can't figure it out." Now we're going to do some skill practice or role practice. I'll read a situation. Pretend it happened to you. Put your hands on your tummy to check in with your body. Say stop and name your feeling. Remember, the poster reminds you when you have strong feelings. Here's the first scenario. Imagine someone pushed you down on the playground and you are very angry. Practice the stop. Put your hands on your tummy. Name your feeling. I feel angry. Think of a way to calm down. Try your breathing. Try a count. Say good, positive things to yourself. All right, ready to give another one a try? Here we go. Pretend that you can't sleep because tomorrow there's a field trip to the zoo. You're very excited. Think of the calm down poster and say stop. Put your hands on your tummy. Name that feeling. I'm feeling very excited. Think of a way to calm down. Deep breaths. Try 3 of those. Good job. All right, here's another one. The principal asked you to come to the office. You're very worried. What have you done? All right, hands on your tummy. Say, stop. Name your feeling. I feel worried. Do some calming down. Try counting backwards from 10 slowly. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. All right, last one. You're writing a sentence to go with your drawing, but you can't get them right. You tore a hole in your paper while you were erasing, and you're feeling very frustrated. Think of the poster. First thing you do, did you say stop and put your hand on your tummy? Good. Second thing you do, did you name your feeling? I'm feeling frustrated. Third thing to do, did you use a calming down technique? Deep breathing or count, or say positive things like, hey, I can do this. I can get a new piece of paper, or Mr. C can fix it with some tape on the back. That's okay. All right, let's do our wrap up. So today you learned that when you have strong feelings, it's hard to think clearly. You also learned how to begin to calm down. You put your hands on your tummy to check in with your body, and you say, stop, and then you name your feeling. We're going to end by listening to the calm down song. Put your hands on your tummy and say stop when you hear tummy and stop.
When your heart is all aflutter and you're panting like a dog, when your legs are feeling shaky and your mind is in a fog, it's time to put your hands on your tummy.
Hands on your tummy.
Then say stop.
Say stop.
Name your feeling.
Name your feeling.
Take a belly breath. And then you calm right down.
Calm right down.
When you've just been scared by something and your belly starts to ache, when you're really sad and worried and your hands begin to shake, it's time to put your hands on your tummy.
Hands on your tummy.
Then say stop
Say stop.
and name your feeling.
Name your feeling.
Take a belly breath. And then you calm right down.
Calm right down.
Yeah, when you're bursting with excitement and you're spinning like a top, when you've had a disappointment and your special plans went flop, it's time to put your hands on your tummy.
Hands on your tummy.
Then say stop.
Say stop.
Name your feeling.
Name your feeling.
Take a belly breath. And then you calm right down.
Calm right down.
Take a